Look over here. Again, I want to bring him to the center. There we go. Now I'm going to break this down and make it simple for him. I'm going to throw this rope over there. And he stood. So I'm just going to draw it back. And I'm going to pet him. And then I'm going to throw it a little closer to him. He's not moving, so I'm just going to rub him. Now I'm going to throw it over his back. Notice how he moved slightly, but he stopped his feet. I'm going to bring him this way. Okay, now what just happened right there? That's a great teaching right here. Watch. He thought about leaving, didn't he? Instinct said, he's threatening you, you might want to leave. Okay? But training quickly kicked in. And he remembered, but wait a minute, that's not the best route. Always remember, as a horse owner, I'm going to teach your horse, I'm going to replace his instinctive responses that are dangerous and inconvenient for you with trained responses. But always remember that for a good while, the instinctive response is going to surface first. The proper leader is going to be there to remind him, don't forget your training. Giving it time for training to kick in and getting the desired result.